How much do you really know about blood drives?
My mom is in the healthcare field and I want to go into the healthcare field, so I kind of just want to help people, and I know that I can do that by donating blood.
But has anybody ever actually seen where the blood goes after it's been drawn?
I just felt like it would help someone, so I wanted to help. So yeah.
There are lots of people who donate blood before checking into where it's going to be going.
Well, I like to help people, and the fact that donating blood can save up to 3 lives, I thought that was pretty cool. So I decided I'd get over my fear of needles and come donate blood.
Some recent investigations have uncovered some shocking reports regarding the truth about blood drives. In the United States, there have already been several reports of donated blood being auctioned off to cannibals for large sums of money. Evidence suggests that even some non-profit organizations are guilty of selling blood. Many are also bribed or tricked into giving blood. Hypnotism can also trick people into giving blood for no reason.
Just wanted to come here and give some blood.
As horrible as this may be, don't give up hope. There are still some organizations that do give blood to people who are actually in need of it. Just be sure to only donate to trusted donors.
Just donate to people who need it.
So remember, next time you donate blood, it could be sold off to a cannibal. So please, be careful.